YouTube, what's going on? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Rummy Rome. And if you didn't know, now you know. And if you didn't know, it's because you're not subscribed. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please go ahead, turn to the side, hit that like button. Also, at the end of this video, please make sure you share. Please make sure you hit that bell so you can get the notifications when I drop a video. You can come straight to it and see this fire that I put together. Also, share this video at the end and get in the comment section. Let me know how you feeling. Follow me on all social media platforms so you can see what I got going on when I'm not here. And also, I'm dropping skits. I don't want y'all to miss out on them. Before we get started into this unboxing, I'm super excited. These items right here is brought to you by my beautiful wife. You know what I'm saying? She got me these for my birthday. But before we get started with this video, I gotta do a couple shout outs to some of my young supporters that tune in with me every week, every time I drop a video, and I appreciate y'all as well as all my subscribers. Shout out to KT, shout out to Didi, shout out to Malik, shout out to Kari, shout out to Rosie, shout out to Lila, and shout out to Romeo. So I appreciate y'all for watching this, but without further ado, let's get straight to it. So we are looking at right here, move these to the side till I get to them. You are looking right here at an iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, 4th generation, 512 gigabytes. So yes, this right here is very essential to what I got going on. I got this a few days ago, and what was it? About 2 days ago I got this, and I've been waiting until I had time to do this YouTube video so I can unbox it and show y'all. Let's get straight to it. Slide that up like matter of fact, I don't even need no knife. You know what, Apple, I'm feeling y'all. Y'all make my life easier, man. I don't even need a knife. It's a little pull tab right here, okay? You pull that tab right there, and it just falls apart. And Apple just does a great job with that, and I love it. Uh-oh. The magic is, something is happening. Okay, split it down. Y'all understand how excited I am for this. Y'all just don't even know. Just soak it all in, you know. Come on. I've been so thirsty to get this open, like y'all don't even understand. I've just been sitting on my dresser. I've been thirsty, man. Come on. Okay. You know, I feel like I could control the spaceship with this right here, man. Like this is, I ain't even, oh my goodness. I have officially, okay, became one of those. What is those, you say? An elitist. Peel the back off, you know, pop that. I forgot kids be watching this. We keep it PG. Oh, wee. Okay, this is beautiful. Now this unboxing will consist of an iPad, but not only an iPad. This unboxing will also consist of a Magic Keyboard. You feel me? When I got this and this Magic Keyboard, you know, I thought I had access to the Magic School Bus. I'm gonna just be honest with you. You know, a lot of magic things. Now, let's see what we got here. Your booklet to show you how to set it up and control it and dock and all that good stuff. Like, you know how I do. You got your USB. If I'm not mistaken, I think this card is C. Now, this right here is what I really need right here. This box, this charger box, whatever the technical term for, I need this because, like, come on, Apple. Like, I got the iPhone 12 Max Pro, whatever you want to call it, a long ass name. I got that and y'all don't give us one of these. Like, come on, man, really. Let's be honest, like, what is y'all doing? What is y'all doing? Like, so now when I do have this, I like this. So let me show you the iPad again. There you go, iPad. I got the dark gray, you know. It's close to my melanin skin. You feel me? You know, so I had to get this one. You see the queens in the background, you know what I'm saying? My beautiful black queens in the background. If y'all ain't peep that out right now. You feel me? It's serious over this way. And that's it for that. You got your charger box right here. You got your USB-C charger, like I said, if I'm correct. And then you got your iPad. And I'm gonna go ahead and boot this up and see how beautiful it is when I cut it on. So I can find out where the damn power button, okay. Power button right here. Is it dead? You died? Huh? All right, there we go. Wow, okay. It's cutting on. I don't want to miss it. All right, hello. Let's see, man, this is a big size right here. I'm happy that I got this. It's real light too, to be honest. I'm gonna be real. This is light. This is actually really light compared to what I thought it was gonna be, and it's thin too. Like, I'm feeling this though. I'm feeling this. I'm gonna set this to the side. Moving along, Magic Keyboard. This right here was very important for me to get this Magic Keyboard because editing and all of that is something I'm becoming real nice at. If you check out them last videos, you feel me, especially that last one, you will see the boy is really getting in his bag when it comes to this editing thing. You know, let's bust the Magic Keyboard down. Like you see, it's the Magic Keyboard, iPad Magic Keyboard. It's for the 12.9 inch. This is actually, they run you $50 more. Apple gonna find a way to get that money, boy, I tell you. I'm trying to tell you, you hear me? They are going to find a way to get their coins. And just for the bigger size iPad, they charge you $50 more for it. Again, we got the tab, bing bam, thank you ma'am. We gonna bust it, wop, okay, just like that. Well, Apple, I like y'all. Y'all need to start putting a little charger box in y'all phones though, you know, your phone box. You know, let's try this again. Whoa, Apple, okay. Oh, okay. And there we have it. It smells like it's fresh off the presses. Boy, listen. Open up. Bing. Wow. This is magnetic. Just check it out. Just look at it. You feel me? You hear that? Don't it sound like I'm important? Look at it. Huh? Boy, it sound like a business man. I'm a business man. You hear me? Hey. I feel like I'm important. I mean, I am, but you know what I mean. I feel like I got some work to do here on this day. You know what? Let me just check it out. You know, huh? Yeah, honey. I'm doing my taxes right now. I'm balancing the digital checkbook on my iPad 12.9 inch with my Magic Keyboard. You said you didn't need to hear all that shit? That's alright. I thought I'll tell you it anyways. On a serious note, let me see if I can put this together right now. So the back is magnetic, so it should sit right in there. Oh my goodness, the magnet is serious on that thing right there. Let me see. Oh, wait, what? Whoa, okay, that boy feels special. That's crazy. I might be tripping. Let me see something. Okay, I thought it might already be hooked up just by it connecting magnetically, because I mean, I don't remember touching that. I don't know, but you see what it looked like, man. It basically looked like a laptop, which I was hoping, you know, I wanted to put something together. Like I said, I get the touch screen that I need so I can do my editing and everything like that I really wanted this for. I got things like the design my merch. I might be giving y'all too much of the sauce, but I wanted to design my own merch. You know, I'm really nice when it comes to drawing, for real. That's another passion of mine, but it just always be off in the tuck. But when I get inspired, shout out to my boy D-Wade, my little bro. He inspired me a lot. He sent me different pictures and stuff like that he drew, so it inspired me to go ahead, get back in my bag, and something crazy always come up out of it. So I know you watching this, my boy, so keep send me something. You ain't sent me nothing in a while. But this right here, this is serious, man. I'm gonna show y'all that y'all get that bow, that you get the back. And like I said, y'all already seen the front, man. This is basically a laptop at this point. I mean, now the specs not all the same. For what I need it for, it's perfect. And it took me a couple weeks to decide if I wanted a MacBook or iPad Pro with a keyboard. And since they came out with this one and it's the latest one, it worked for me. Let's see how it closed. Boom, boom. Oh, I mean, come look at this. Come on, man. Like, hello. Yeah. You said what? I can't hear you. Is you on the Android? You probably on the Android. Yeah, it sounds like you on some type of device that's not a cellular device. Is it like a remote, a calculator, a metal detector, you know, a crock pot, a pressure cooker? No, a microwave. There you go. an easy bake oven. I knew it was something that wasn't really a phone, because I can't really hear you on this iPad Pro 12.9 inch. You feel me? Like, I can't really hear you on that. Hello? I'm going to just go ahead and hang up, man. You feel me? I'm going to just go ahead and hang up. I don't know who that was, man. You feel me? I don't even, look at that. It's nice and sleek and black. It got the 2 cameras on the back, man. I can't see myself taking no pictures. Talk about stand still, big bang on the, on this. But I do like the detail, the apple that's in there like this. It got a nice smooth feeling to it. It's not thick, you feel me? It's still slim, like it's slim, and it's all feel put together very well. It don't feel cheap or bulky or nothing like that, which I like, you know. I enjoy that. It do feel like it'll get dirty though and scratched up a lot. I'm gonna be honest right there. Do seem like that could be some type of issue, but won't nobody be messing with it but me. So hey, see it. It's closed. That's the first level. It's the second level. So it got basically 2 levels. You got that right there. You can do it like that and then pull it back. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side right here. Let me pull this out. Magic keyboard. Again, it just tells you, you know, how to hook it up to your iPad and everything like that. Don't need that. No, we don't ever need none of this stuff, man. Who really read instructions? Put that to the side. Now, it's cap. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Stop capping. Right? This is cap. And the only reason why I say this is cap because instantly after I was gifted this, I remember Apple online, you can put your own name on the pen for free if you order it from Apple, but you cannot get it from any other store. This right here, we would not be unboxing this, but on a later date, when I give y'all an update on how I'm doing my iPad Pro and all of that, I'll go ahead and I'll unbox the pen or whatever. I'll do a video on that, or I'll just show you the pen. Who cares? You know, y'all ain't really excited about the pen. It's amazing when you got your #1 supporter is your significant other and your better half. It's amazing to have that because you get things like this, you feel me? I expressed, you know, how important it was for me to get this, and for my birthday, she went out and got that, so I salute to her. Love you, thank you, and I appreciate this gift. That about wrap this video up, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It's very important for me. It helped my channel out here. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That also helps me out, man. I'm trying to grow and continue to do YouTube and stay motivated. Check out my last videos right now if you have not already watched those videos. Follow me on all social media platforms. Again, I do skits on there, and I'm gonna start uploading them here on YouTube, but you can catch them there first and support me over there. Also, make sure you hit that bell, please. That's very important as well. Watch the videos to the end, man. I mean, please. Could you just, you know, you want to support me? Watch the videos, you know, to the end. Could you do that for me? I thank y'all for watching my videos. I thank y'all for being subscribed and tuning in to me and supporting me. And just like that, cut on to the next, not the next scene, but the next check.